Hello students, in this session we will discuss about the circle, and here we know the important parts of the circle, and we will start it from the definition of a circle, and second center of a circle, and again radius of a circle, circumference of a circle, diameter of a circle, chord of a circle, secant of a circle, and tangent of a circle. Today we will know about these parts of a circle. So it starts from the definition of a circle. In this plane, we take 2 points, one fixed point and another is rotating point, and move this rotating point in such a way that the distance of each point in this region is always constant from the fixed point, and this fixed point is known as the center of a circle. This point is move in such a way around the fixed point in that the distance of each point on this locus is always constant from this point. This point is the distance is always equal. This fixed point is known as the center of a circle. Next, what is the radius of a circle? So any point on the circle, and its distance from the center is called the radius of circle. Next, what is the circumference of circle? So the total length of this locus is called the circumference of circle, and it is denoted by 2 pi r. The formula of circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Next is the diameter of a circle. A line joining any 2 points of this locus. In such a way that the line which joining these 2 points is always passes from the center of the circle. A line joining any 2 points of the circle in such a way that it always passes from the center of the circle is called the diameter of the circle. Now we make a relation between diameter and the radius of a circle. Any radius of a circle is half of the diameter, because we know that the aligned segment joining any point on the circle and the center is known as radius, and a line joining any 2 points on the circle in such a way that it passes from the center of the circle is called radius. So diameter of any circle is the twice of its radius. Okay. Next है chord of a circle. A chord of a circle is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle in such a way that it will not passes through the center. This is called the chord of a circle. We can draw infinite chord in a circle, but a chord which does not passes through the center is called the chord of the circle, and a chord which passes through the center and joining any 2 points on the circle is called diameter. So we can say in a single word that diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle, and it is clear from here, as we move towards the center the length of chord will increase, and longest chord of the circle is diameter. Clear? Next is secant of a circle. Secant of a circle is a line which cut the circle at any 2 fixed point. Secant is a line segment which cut the circle at any 2 fixed point is called the secant of circle. Next है tangent. तो tangent क्या है? Here tangent a line which intersect the circle at any fixed point. At any fixed point पे अगर कोई लाइन इसको टच करेगी, दिस इज नोन एज टेंजेंट. और अगर कोई लाइन सिगमेंट किसी सर्कल को एनी फिक्स 2 पॉइंट पे डिस्टिंक्ट कट करता है तो उसे बोलते हैं सेकेंड. एंड दिस पॉइंट इज नोन एज द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट, वेयर अ टेंजेंट intersect any circle. This fixed point is known as the point of contact or point of tangent. If we join the point of contact or point of tangent from the circle, it always makes an angle perpendicular, an angle of 90 degree. Okay, so I think it is clear from this session.